I'm Joseph. I'm 19 years old. I went to the Cardinal Newman Catholic Comprehensive School, and at the moment I am studying foundation degree performing arts. I chose to attend this college because I wanted to see as an actor I want to push myself. I don't want to be constrained. I don't want to be only taken to a certain level and say, okay, that's far enough. No, I want to really push it, and I felt going to this college, I feel like I could really get to experiment more as an actor and just see just how far I can go as a performer. My highlight of studying here is the group that I'm in, working with all these different people, just seeing how they approach it, how when we're given a script or a task, how they see it, and I think, okay, that's very different from me. I could take something from this. The tutors, I think, here have been very good, very encouraging. They've told us just don't be afraid, just go for it. Don't hold back. I'm set on going on to the University of South Wales. You see, I would like to pursue screen acting, and but one thing before I do that, I want to make sure I get all the kinks and all the little things, because I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. I just want to nail it, get it dead set. What my ability as an actor, as a performer. If you're with the right people, then great. And that's one reason why I'm here, because I feel like I'm with the right teachers. They know who I am, what I can do, how far I can go, and so on.